After a workout, a game, or even a family function, people often walk into our clinic saying, "Doc, can you just crack my back?" But here is the thing, muscle soreness isn't a joint problem. It's your muscles reacting to overuse, micro tears, fatigue, and inflammation. Cracking joints might feel good for a second, but it doesn't do anything for muscle soreness. So the big question is, what actually helps? The answer is simple. It's muscle recovery. Cooling therapy, like Biofrost products, which are gels, roll-ons, and sprays, reduces inflammation and soothes sore muscles. Along with this, add some light stretching to release tightness and improve circulation. That's the right way to recover. So, skip the crack, recover smart, stretch, hydrate, and use Biofrost products. Thank you.